Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
In 2016, FBI Director James Comey admitted he tapes over his laptop webcam. This moment showed us that laptop cameras can be a serious surveillance risk. Today, we'll explore why this matters, how FBI laptop camera access works, and the steps you can take to protect yourself effectively. When we talk about FBI laptop camera access, we mean the ability of the FBI to activate your webcam remotely without you knowing. This is done using remote access tools, or RATs, often installed via malware or legal spyware, following a court order. This process is not random, it targets specific individuals during legitimate investigations. As of 2026, surveillance is a growing reality. In recent years, the FBI has confirmed using these tools in various criminal cases. The growth in surveillance queries authorized by the FISA court has increased 48%. This showcases an alarming trend where even sensitive professions, like journalism and law, are vulnerable. How does this access work? Understanding the steps can help you defend against these tactics. First, an attacker must gain access to your operating system, often through phishing emails. Next, they escalate permissions to access your camera, which often requires elevated privileges on your device. Once they have this access, they can remotely activate your camera without triggering the indicator light. Finally, they can stream video or record it over your internet connection, usually without being detected by standard firewalls. Being proactive at each step can thwart potential surveillance. A physical webcam cover is the simplest way to block unwanted access. There are various tools available that also monitor network traffic to detect suspicious activity. For example, Little Snitch for Mac OS or Glasswire for Windows can alert you to unauthorized outbound connections. Common mistakes include relying on software toggles instead of physical blockers, ignoring microphone vulnerabilities while covering the camera, and trusting the camera indicator light too much. Always use a verified webcam cover, and consider disabling internal microphones when privacy is a concern. If you suspect your camera has been accessed, run a network monitoring tool for 48 hours. Look for unfamiliar outgoing connections or suspicious entries in your system's task scheduler. Be cautious about removing any suspicious files without documentation. In summary, protecting against FBI laptop camera access involves two critical steps: physical blocking and network monitoring. You don't need technical expertise. A simple webcam cover and a monitoring app can significantly reduce your exposure. Start today by implementing these measures to ensure your privacy. Take control of your digital security now. Use the right tools and strategies to safeguard your privacy against unwanted surveillance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.